हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल जॉब सर्च गुरु फॉर यू। आज की इस वीडियो में हम रिव्यू करेंगे जॉब्स रिलेटेड टू पावर बीआई डेवलपर रोल और बीआई एनालिस्ट रोल से रिलेटेड जॉब्स। तो अगर आप इस फील्ड में ऑलरेडी वर्किंग हैं एंड यू आर एक्टिवली सर्चिंग फॉर अ जॉब चेंज और यू वांट टू स्टार्ट अ करियर एज अ फ्रेशर इन दिस डोमेन, देन दिस वीडियो इज वर्थ वॉचिंग। इस वीडियो में हम आगे बढ़ेंगे और रिव्यू करेंगे जॉब्स, किन लोकेशंस में जॉब्स हैं, किन कंपनीज में जॉब्स हैं, नेम ऑफ द कंपनीज, सैलरी दीज कंपनीज आर ऑफरिंग, रोल्स एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज, एंड व्हाट आर द टेक्निकल स्किल्स these companies are looking for. So if you have prior working experience as a BI analyst or Power BI developer, then you can apply for these jobs. And if you want to receive daily job notifications related to domains like data science, Power BI, SQL, Python, or business analytics domain, then do not forget to subscribe this channel right away. Follow my Instagram page and my Facebook page as well. और जो भी जॉब्स हम रिव्यू करेंगे उन सभी जॉब्स के एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स भी आपको मिल जाएंगे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स पे, डू चेक दैट। और मैं इंस्टाग्राम पेज पे ऑलरेडी डेली जॉब अपडेट की सीरीज चल रही है जहाँ पे मैं आपको इन डोमेन्स रिलेटेड डेली जॉब अपडेट्स अवेलेबल कराता रहता हूँ अलॉन्ग विद द जॉब एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स, सो दैट यू वोंट मिस आउट अ सिंगल जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी। और अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आता है, जॉब्स आपके लिए हेल्पफुल हैं, आप चाहते हैं फ्यूचर में भी आपको ऐसे जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस मिलते रहें, देन डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस द लाइक बटन एंड शेयर दिस वीडियो टू योर नीडी फ्रेंड्स एज वेल। अब रिव्यू करते हैं आज की जॉब्स। First company in the list is LUMEL Technologies, hiring for Power BI analyst, experience 0 to 3 years, job locations in Chennai, salary would be 3 to 7 lakhs per annum, that's estimated. Education, bachelor's degree in computer science, engineering or related field. Job description: create reports and dashboards using Power BI and provide insights and recommendations. End-to-end implementation of BI projects, especially in KPI scorecards, reports and dashboards. Work with architects to support project efforts from a technical perspective. Also execute designed solutions into client solutions and assist with design and development of the customer's workload. For this job role, you need to have at least 0 to 3 years of active experience with reports, dashboards, and visualization development using Power BI. Experience creating dashboards, volume reports, operating summaries, and presentation and graphs. Experience in developing application portal and BI solutions on Power BI or SQL Server. Also hands-on experience with thorough knowledge of data source integration. Good understanding of data modeling techniques for analytical data, facts, dimension, and measures. And also knowledge of formal application and database architects and design. And if you're interested for the job role, you can apply by clicking on this link, and this link is available in the description box of this video. Let's move to the next job. Company name is XOXO Day, hiring for BI developer, experience 2 to 3 years, job location in Bangalore, salary would be competitive, education, bachelor's degree in computer science, IT or related field. Key responsibilities for this job role: understanding of business processes and requirements thoroughly, developing, maintaining and managing advanced reports, analytics, dashboards and other BI solutions in Power BI. Expert level knowledge of SQL in any RDBMS, preferably in Redshift. Good knowledge of data warehouse concepts. 2 to 3 years of exclusive experience in Power BI and data warehouse. Required skills for the job role: maintain business intelligence models to design, develop, and generate both standard reports and functional dashboards based on business requirements. Work to build validation, and collaborate with subject matter experts to design, provide data outputs. Data warehousing design fundamentals, experience in data warehouse and design. So these are some key responsibilities and technical skills for this job role. So if you have these skills and required experience as mentioned by the company, you can apply for this job post by clicking on this link, and this link is available in the description box of this video. Let's move to the third job. Company name is GENPACT, hiring for BI developer, experience 1 to 3 years, job locations in Noida, salary would be 4 to 9 lakhs per annum estimated. Education, bachelor's degree, computer science, software engineering, economics, insurance or related field. About the role: provide production support for any raised incidents and tickets in accordance with client identify response times and tools. Perform a runbook maintenance task. Conduct ad hoc investigations on data issues and defects. Also develop, manage and support data analytics and reporting platforms. Review existing data models, ETL processes, data lineage artifacts, and provide recommendations for data warehouse improvements. And test the dashboard that have been developed and produce test result documentations. Required skills: proven past experience, minimum 1 year as a BI developer, strong technical knowledge of Microsoft Business Intelligence Stack, Power BI, SSIS, sound knowledge of database management, modeling, business intelligence, SQL querying, also familiar with agile developer delivery methodology. So these are some key responsibilities and technical skills for this job role you need to have. And if you are interested for this job role, you can apply by clicking on this link, which you'll get in the description box of this video. Fourth company in the list is INDUSNET, hiring for Power BI developer, experience 1 to 3 years, job locations in Gurgaon, education, bachelor's degree in computer science or BTech, pay scale would be 4 to 7 lakhs per annum estimated. Key responsibilities: translate ambiguous business needs into clear technical requirements for impactful data products. Data products collaborating across teams and driving user adoption through targeted communication. Experience in developing BRDs, PRDs, design, docs, code reviews. Manage multiple projects concurrently under deadlines in a fast-paced environment. So these are some basic expectations for this job role. Technical skills: proven experience as a Power BI developer or in a similar role, experience with data modeling, ETL processes, and data warehousing, familiarity with SQL and other data querying languages, a strong understanding of database management system, DBMS, and data warehouse concepts. Also, experience with other BI tools like Tableau, Qlik would be a plus for this job role. And if you're interested for this job role, you can visit this link and you can apply for this job post. Let's move to the fifth job. Company name is Accessmy India, hiring for Power BI developer. Experience 1 to 3 years. Job locations in Mumbai. Education degree in computer science, data analytics or related field. Salary will be discussed. Key responsibilities: translate business requirements and hypotheses into analysis and insights to aid business decision making. Conduct full lifestyle cycle activities, which includes project requirement collection, data cleaning, exploration, analytics, and client reporting. Also, ability to work with structured as well as unstructured data and derive meaningful insights. Should have excellent problem solving skills. Should be able to work with management to prioritize business and information needs. And collaborate with internal stakeholders to manage data logistics, including data transfers, understanding data structures, and business rules. Required skills for the job role: identifying opportunities for continuous improvement and automation of tasks using Excel, Python, R, SQL where relevant. Strong experience in business intelligence, data analytics, modeling, and segmentation. Ability to work with structured and unstructured data. And you should have good knowledge of advanced Excel, Power BI, Python, and SQL. So if you have these required skills, technical skills basically, and key responsibilities as well, then you can apply for this job post by clicking on this link, and this link is available in the description box of this video to apply. Sixth company in the list is SPAC India, hiring for Power BI developer. Experience 1 to 3 years. Job locations in Ahmedabad, and they have 10 number of openings currently. Education: bachelor's degree in computer science, stats or related field. Salary would be 4 to 8 lakhs per annum estimated. Key responsibilities: Power BI report development, building analysis services, reporting models, developing visual reports, KPI scorecards, and dashboards using Power BI desktop, analytical thinking for translating data into informative reports and visuals. Very good communication skills, must be able to discuss the requirements effectively with the clients, teams, and within internal teams. And for this job role, there are certain skills. Primary skills: Power BI, SQL Server. Secondary skills: nice to have SSIS, SSRS, and SSAS databases. And if you're interested for the job role, you can visit this link and you can apply for this job post. Next company in the list is Aton, hiring for associate Power BI developer. Experience 2 to 5 years. Job locations in Noida, Gurgaon, and Jaipur. Education: graduation, BE, BTech, MCA. Salary would be as per industry standards. Key responsibilities: work with business on understanding data and reporting needs, establishing documenting requirements and creating reports, dashboards using Excel or Power BI. Collaborate with various business teams to get understanding the required data facts to meet the business reports requirements. Proactively analyze data to answer key questions for stakeholders or yourself. Build multidimensional data models in Power BI. Develop a strong documentation about algorithms, parameters, models, and perform detailed analysis on tested and deployed Power BI models. Required skills for the job role: you need to have at least 2 to 5 years of experience for this job role. You should be a graduate with PE, BTech, CSCIT, or MCA. Good communication, teamwork skills, problem solving skills, business acumen, and analytical mindset. And also you should have good knowledge of advanced Excel, Power BI, SQL, Azure, and data modeling. So if you have these required skills, you have also required experience as mentioned by the company. You can apply for this job post by clicking on this link, and this link is available in the description box of this video. Next company in the list is Hitachi, hiring for Power BI developer. Experience 1 to 3 years. Job locations in Chennai. Education: BTech, BE in computers, statistics, economics, or engineering. And salary would be 4 to 6 lakhs per annum. Key responsibilities for the job role: proven expertise in your area by which you can contribute to the growth of the practice, subject matter expert who can increase competency in said technology and mentor other team members. Be at the forefront of the exciting journey Hitachi Digital Solutions has undertaken and contribute immensely thorough pure consulting skills for internal and external customers. Write SQL queries to extract, manipulate, and analyze data. Troubleshoot BI tools and resolve data related issues, and also support data cleansing and validation efforts. Key skills: basic knowledge of SQL data warehousing and ETL processes, familiarity with BI tools such as Power BI, ETL, Tableau, or QLQ, 2 to 4 years of experience in developing reports and dashboards, proficiency in DAX functions and Power Query M language, strong understanding of data modeling and visualization techniques, familiarity with Microsoft Azure services related to data such as Azure Data Factory and Azure SQL databases, and experience with SQL and relational database. And if you have required skills, you are also comfortable with roles and responsibilities, you can apply by clicking on this link, and this link you'll be getting in the description box of this video. Next company in the list is JK Tech, hiring for Power BI developer, experience 2 to 4 years, job locations in Noida and Bangalore, education BTech, BE in computers, statistics, economics, engineering or insurance. Salary would be as per industry standards. Key responsibilities: design, develop and maintain ETL workflows using SSIS for data integration and transformation, write efficient and optimized SQL queries including stored procedures, functions and views, perform data profiling, validation and troubleshooting of data issues across multiple data sources, optimize performance of ETL packages and database queries to ensure high efficiency, also ensure data accuracy, consistency and reliability through rigorous testing and validations. Key skills: experience with Power BI and other BI visualization tools, familiarity with Azure Data Factory or other cloud-based ETL tools, 2 to 4 years of hands-on experience with SSIS or ETL design and implementation, strong knowledge of SQL Server, familiarity with data warehousing concepts and best practices, and strong communication and interpersonal skills for this job role. And this is the link to apply for this job role. 10th and final job of the day is for the company named Technomatic, hiring for Power BI and Tableau developer, experience 2 to 4 years, job locations in Pune, education bachelor's degree in computer science, data science, IT or related field. Salary would be 5 to 10 lakhs per annum estimated. Key responsibilities: communication and interaction with project managers to understand the requirement, dashboard designing, development and deployment using Tableau ecosystem, stay up to date with current tech and bring relevant ideas to the table, proactively work with management and team to identify and resolve issues, contribute in dashboard designing, R&D and project delivery using Tableau candidate profile. Key skills: strong working knowledge and development experience with Tableau server and desktop, at least 2 years of experience covering Tableau implementation lifecycle, including hands-on development, programming, managing security, data modeling, data blending, knowledge of databases like Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle, etc., and superior organization skills, attention to detail, level of quality, strong communication skills, both written and verbal. So if you have these required skills, you are also comfortable with roles and responsibilities, job location and salary, then you can apply for this job post by clicking on this link, and this link is available in the description box of this video. And they also have different kind of openings for Power BI, data analyst and other job opportunities related to analytics domain. So you can visit this link and you can explore other opportunities as well. So friends, these are 10 jobs for this week for the role of Power BI developer. I've tried to cover jobs for freshers, experienced candidates. So if you have any suggestions, any feedbacks, you can reach me out through my mail ID. Also, you can share your feedback in the comment section. And do not forget to press the like button if this video is helpful. Thank you very much for watching the video. Have a great rest of your day.